You clicked on this video for a reason: to create a private server and steal a Brainrot so you can grind without interruptions, trolls, or server lag. I got you, so stick with me. I'll show how to set it up, what you need unlocked, and the things that trip people up. First, open Roblox and search "Steal a Brainrot." Click into the game's main page. Don't join yet. Scroll down until you see the Servers tab. This is where private servers live, and most people miss it because they auto-join public games. Once you're in the Servers tab, look for private servers. If the game supports them, you'll see a button to create one. Some private servers are free, others cost a small amount of Robux. If there's a price, it'll show before you confirm anything. After you create the server, Roblox gives you a private server link. Anyone with that link can join, so only share it with friends you trust. You can also manage who joins by adjusting the server permissions in your private server settings. If you don't see a private server option, that means the developer temporarily disabled it or restricted it for certain updates. In that case, check the game's description or group page. Devs usually re-enable private servers after patches or events. Pro tip: private servers are perfect for farming routes, testing builds, and AFK methods because spawns are consistent and nobody can interfere. If you're grinding Brainrot fast, this saves hours. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment and tell me what option you're missing. I'll help you find it.